Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic artist, Artsy, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd. Thank you for tuning in again. Thank you for watching the inking of page 23 of the book I'm working on. Joseph, favored son of Israel. You can see he's falling down into the pit. He's just been thrown down by his brothers. Now he's falling to his, not his death, but he's falling to his doom, imprisonment. So we're going to do some inking. We are inking. So, has anybody seen any snow lately? I shoveled my way all the way from Albuquerque, and boy are my arms tired. Seriously, my arms are tired. My back is tired from all the shoveling. I already had a back injury. Thursday, I was at work, and I was moving a desk, and how they got me into this, how they tricked me into this is usually when there needs to be a desk move, usually they mean a standing desk. It's like something that sits on top of the desk, that like it's a platform that you push a lever and the computer rises, and you call it a standing desk. It helps you to stand at your desk. Well, this time it was not just the standing part of the desk, it was the entire desk. So I showed up, and there was this big, huge honking table, and it was the director's table, and it was very important. It was stat. It was a very important move. We gotta get this move taken care of because it's an important person. You don't want to let this important person down. So I was tricked into using my back, and not only was it heavy, it was also awkward. There was no place to grab onto it except for the sides of the tabletop part. So that was Thursday, and I woke up on Friday not able to move in the way that I was able to move on Thursday. So I had to call in, well, not sick, but injured. I was on the DL, the disabled list, for one day. So there were things I wanted to do on Saturday, but I could not do those things on Saturday because I was still on the DL. Oh, you know what? Come on, this is the wrong thing. I don't think it's going to matter. Do this mana. So yeah, and then, so my back was hurting. I went to the doctor, she gave me some pills, she gave me some, something for pain, something for muscle relaxer. This will relax your muscles. There we go, take this. So then, I was just about getting over my back, and it snowed. And along with snow cover goes snow shovel. Snow shovel had to be broken out to get rid of the snow. So as of right now, I'm fine. I was walking, I did go to work. I already have had back surgery 2013. So I should have known. I got some titanium hardware in my back. Not adamantium. I am not Wolverine. Not vibranium either. I do not come from Uganda. Oh, also, so here's a tidbit of information. Human bone is tougher, is stronger than titanium. True facts. True dat. So, I have to be careful what I do with my back, because my bones could bend like titanium screws, titanium, I don't know what you call it, hardware. I'm an artist, not a doctor. Star Trek joke. Nerd alert. Nerd alert. We found him. We found the nerd. Speaking of nerds, speaking of me, still speaking of me, the nerd, found out that the X-Men movies are going to be pushed back till 2026. I thought they were going to start in 2024. Maybe that's what I think they are working on the Deadpool movie with Logan. So I guess that technically counts as an X-Men movie. There is being an X-Man in the movie. So I should have Googled that. When is Deadpool expected to be out? Not that I actually go to see these Deadpool movies. I've never seen any of these Deadpool movies. Let's see, IMDb. It's the best source for this information. Look up Deadpool. Expected in July 26, 2024. Well, there you go. So because I am a nerd, certified, bona fide nerd, I've been working on drawing the X-Men symbol, the symbol of the X-Men, symbol that they keep on their belts. I learned that if you divide a circle into 30 seconds, 30 seconds, that's how you make the best X-Men circle. Best looking X in a circle. So I did there, I made a brand new layer, so the grace, the foreground is not affected, but the background is affected. Wahaha. Wahaha.